Are you someone who is considering liposuction but are not sure on how much fat to be removed? Or are you contemplating liposuction but still unsure about the longevity of the result which you will get? If that's the case, then this video is for you, because we will be discussing about how much fat can be removed safely by liposuction and will the result be long lasting. Hello, I'm Dr. Rajat Gupta, board certified plastic surgeon working in New Delhi, India. Now, in liposuction, whatever area we want to contour and we remove the fat, which is subcutaneous fat, this removal of fat cells which we do is permanent. Now, what do I mean by this permanency? Let me tell you a fact about fat cells. Fat cells do not multiply in our body since we are born till we die. This means they only increase in size as we grow old or grow fat. Let me give you an example, an hypothetical scenario. Suppose one has 100 fat cells in their abdominal area when they are born. Even at the age of 35 or 40, they only have 100 fat cells in their abdomen. What does this mean? These 100 fat cells, which were very tiny and small when they were born, has increased in size as they have grown older and bigger. Now, what do we do in liposuction? We remove fat cells. In fact, we at the end of the procedure show you how much fat we have removed. 2, 3, 4, 5 liters or so on. Now, what are this? These are basically fat cells. So suppose, going back to our example earlier, if there are 100 fat cells in the abdomen and we remove 70 and we show it to you, what these 30 left in abdomen are permanent reduction in your fat cells. This 30 can never become 31. So hence the procedure result is very long lasting. But this 30 can increase in size if you do not have a healthy lifestyle. So one needs to maintain the result by living a good healthy lifestyle, control of their diet and regular exercise. One has to understand that we can get back to your shape, we can achieve a better version of your own self by doing these procedures, but it is up to you to maintain such results. At the same time, let's discuss about how much fat can be removed in a single day. Now, international consensus has been 10% in liters of fat of your total body weight in kgs can be removed safely in a single day. Let me elaborate this by giving an example. If you are 80 kgs, 10% in liters, that means 8 liters of fat can be removed in a single day from your body safely. There are some surgeons who also go beyond this and do some mega liposuction. I do not recommend that, because understand, cosmetic surgery is an art. Cosmetic surgery is an elective procedure. Cosmetic surgery has to be kept absolutely safe. There is no chances of an issue which I personally would like to take on my patients. Hence, international consensus is 10%. I actually restrict it to up to 7 to 8% in most cases. So this much amount of fat can be safely removed. And trust me, 8 to 10% of total fat is actually also a huge amount to give a reasonable shape improvement to any individual. Keep the procedure safe, keep the patient happy is our mantra. I'm there to help you achieve a better version of your own body shape. If you have any more questions, keep posting in the comments and we will be helping you out with your answers. Thank you.